And here we go. Look at this. Toronto. It started just a little while ago, maybe over an hour or more. Probably around 7:38, I don't know, something like that. Gonna be doing this all day. All day. I think some of the schools are closed. There's no buses. No school buses. Some people aren't going to work today. Can't see in front of your face. Look at this. All day. It's supposed to be doing this tomorrow too. Wind. It's going to be raining. Then there's going to be ice pellets coming. Oh yeah. And this is probably just after 9 in the morning. Look down there. It's my chair. Fold it up for the winter. My other chairs, table and chairs. Yeah. Summer stuff, right? Have a tea and read a book. Look at this. This is going to snow all day like this. So I don't know how much snow is coming here. But this is just after 9, like I said. Maybe I'll do another video later on, much later on the day, and see where we're at then. But yeah. So if you don't have to go out today, you know the old saying, if you don't have to go nowhere, don't do it. Can't see the lights, just dimly. Yeah, I'm staying home. I'm not going nowhere. I went out yesterday. I went down to the store yesterday, got my milk and bread. So I don't have to go nowhere today or tomorrow. I'm staying in, and guess what? Yeah, I just started watching The Punisher on Netflix. I watched 2 episodes so far. Seems interesting. I just finished watching The Ranch, all of that program. That was alright. I didn't like it low when Rooster left, but what are you gonna do? Things blowing around. Boy, it's getting really bad. Whew, whew, that wind's cold and light. Oh, anyway, people, talk to you later. Oh. Stay home.